Hello class 10th student of Fun and Learn. In the last video we have seen the soil erosion. Now in this last and concluding video we will discuss soil conservation. That is, what are the solutions of soil erosion so that soil is protected, and the solution is soil conservation. So we will take out what is soil conservation. Now soil conservation, the preservation, protection and efficient use of the soil is called the soil conservation. Soil is our most precious asset. So soil conservation includes all those measures which help in protecting the soil from erosion and exhaustion. So some of the methods for conserving the soil are as under. Number one, afforestation. So what is this? The area under the forest should be increased and new trees should be planted in rows. So this will reduce the speed of the wind and it will cause your soil conservation. Number two, contour plowing. See in this figure like this. If the plowing of the land is done along the contour of or across the slope of the land like this, then the flow of the water can be checked and it reduces the runoff. So it will protect soil. Number three, terrace cultivation. See in this figure. It is an old method of soil conservation. The soil of the hill is cut into series of terraces. It checks the flow of water and thus reduce erosion. So it is widely practiced in western and central Himalayas. So contour plowing and by terrace cultivation, by water factor, you can check the soil erosion and can have a soil conservation by these two methods. Number four is your strip cropping. What is? Large field can be divided into a strip and they should be parallel to one another. The strip of grasses are allowed to grow between crops. It acts as wind breakers, so it will protect the soil. Number five, crop rotation. We have discussed in class 9. The practice of growing one crop year after year can take away certain element from the soil. If different crops are cultivated, it will help in conserving the fertility of the soil. So it will conserve the soil. Number six, shelter belts. The rows of the trees are planted in a strip or along the margin of the field. So these rows can restrict the movement of land, sand dunes in the arid or semi-arid region. So it will protect your soil. Number seven, cover cropping. Like in the plantation type, the tree take 3 to 5 years to bear fruits. Now the crop can be grown between the young trees to protect the soil, between the two plants. So this will protect your soil. Vegetables can be grown to have extra income. Like in a cropping pattern, we can have include vegetables in the plantation of fruits. So we can, through cover cropping, we can protect our soil. So in this video, we have discussed soil conservation. So now this concludes your chapter 1. In the next video, we will have a revision of chapter 1. So watch the next video. Thank you, students.